Good morning. It's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Well, I'm tired and crabby. My husband came in at 4:30 and shined a flashlight in my face. He was trying to come in and go to bed. I don't know why he turned the flashlight on my face. And then, because I was annoyed by the flashlight in my face, he shut it off. But my heart's racing at this point because I've just been attacked by a stranger in the dark and there's a flashlight in my face. Like it's a raid. He decides that it would be better to turn the TV on so that he can see what's going on. Well, that's brighter than the damn flashlight and I'm already like awake. So I've been up since 4:30. He left because I got annoyed by the TV. I'm like, I guess I'm not getting any sleep now. And he goes, stomps around, throws stuff like a petty little child. I know my mother-in-law watches. Who did you raise? Good Lord. Talk about just emotional infant sometimes. You could tell him, I don't care. He can watch this. I don't care. I'm done with it. I'm done with the little, like, toddler level tantrum at 4:30 in the morning. Well, I'm not going back to sleep, right? So I'm up. So I've been up since 4:30. So if you saw the gardening video yesterday, and you may not have because gardening is not everybody's thing, you'll know that I saw a garage sale. Went kind of like this. Detour garage sale. I still have time to make the library. This sale wasn't up the other day when I went shopping, so it's raining and it's a good day to go to a sale. Let's go. It says it's huge. Off the muddy, unpaved road. Look at the cheekies. Cheekies. Ooh. Priorities. Holy cow. Some woman just tried to run me over because she was going into the garage. Let me out. I got some stuff. It was half price day. Last day of their sale and it's half raining, so you said everything that's marked as half price. Hey, yay. I got some stuff, so we'll be doing a separate haul video for that. Sorry, separate video. I still made it to my event on time, but we got to do a haul video because I got a few things. It was half off. I mean, oh my God, the stuff they had for half off. Like, okay, I'll pop up a picture here. This is going right into my shop. It's going right to pick it because I have no tables. I have no tables right now, and I need something to change up the booth for this month. So this little guy, I'm not painting it. It's in really good condition. It was $4. So it was half off, $2. Got it for $2. Very happy with the $2. That's a good deal. And then I got, I'll pop up part 2, second picture. These pots. So they were $1 each. And I got 2 for $1. They're nice big pots. And I want to do the container gardening. If you watched yesterday, I'll be doing some container gardening. So these pots were a nice size for $1 for 2, so 50 cents each. I mean, can't get them at Dollar Tree for that. And I know they look rough, but who cares? They're gonna sit outside and have gardening stuff in them. So they're nice heavy ones too. I left them outside. They're dirty. I don't want to bring them in. Speaking of dirty, this is dirty. It's an arrow case for my daughter. So my daughter is in archery. And it's cool. It's got like a duck hunting scene on the front. It needs to be washed. There are arrows in it. It was $5, so I paid $2.50. Ugh. These people did not love their crap. No tips on them, but there's arrows in it. We'd have to spin them to make sure they're any good, but they're probably not. I mean, they're probably not. I bought it for the case because her case does hold arrows. She thought it was great when I gave it to her. I don't know why I got it. Figured she could use one. We didn't have one. So for $2.50 I got it in case you wanted it. And if not, for $2.50 I could probably resell that sucker. Anyway, and then there was my stuff. Okay. So I got the stuff that, you know, like I'm keeping. But, y'all, it's ironstone. It's got crazing all over it. It was $3, so I paid $1.50 for it. It's got some staining. It's got some crazing in it. But it is so good. It's just a good picture. I mean, it's beautiful. And then just the little grater thing. This was $3, so I paid $1.50 for it. It's vintage, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to hang it up or keep it. I don't have a little space grater. Jacob Fair Dealer tea and coffee, $3. This was $1.50, this crock. It's amazing. This is an amazing piece. It's a really good one. So for $1.50, definitely profit to be made there. But the best one, the piece de resistance, this was $2. So this was $3. This was $2. Look at this one. Yeah, I'm in love with it. This is obviously an older crock. It is chipped and in not as great condition, but this is clearly a reproduction. So this one is more authentic. It's textured. It's older piece. It's hand potted. It's not like this. This is perfect. This is not perfect. So at $2 is $1. I'm just happy. I don't even know if I want to sell it or the 2 Crocs now or what I'm going to do with it. I'll probably sell it. But I'm going to see if my friend Janet wants it for her shop first. So I'm going to Rustic Mama's Market at the end of the week. And I asked her if she needed me to bring anything. And she said, you know, jewelry display things, wood bowls, things like that. But this is a nice crock. It's not a bowl, not wood. She's got a very neutral aesthetic, except these pops of green, which is her, like, brand color. And, you know, me and neutrals, I'm not real good at neutral. So, I have to see what I can find to bring her. Because I'm like, I thought about making her a jewelry stand. Because, you know, I got the stuff. We got the stuff. Maybe we can just make her, because she said she needed more to hang necklaces. Maybe I'll take an old spindle. I've got old chippy peely spindles, and we can whip up a couple necklace stands for her and bring those for her. She's giving me a free hotel room mommy weekend away. Got to do something for her. Got to do something nice for her, because I value time away from my family, especially at 4:30 in the morning. You heard me. So anyway, that's everything. That's what I got in my wonderful little haul. I mean, half price. I was so lucky to stumble upon that. If I had more money, I probably could have bought about 12 more things. They had some really cool vintagey stuff. And they had some cool, not vintagey stuff, like these gold candle holders. They're wall sconce candle holders. And Victoria probably would have loved them, but I'm like, they're sconces. Like, it's her vibe. But at the same time, I don't want to burn her burning candles on my wall. I love her. I don't trust her enough to burn my house down. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.